Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with the Morning Market Stir for Wednesday, April 11th. Stocks surged second day in a row yesterday, up 1.5% and more. So the S&P gaining 1.5%, getting back to unchanged in 2018. The Dow also up, but short so far this year. But the NDX led the way yesterday, up more than 2%, 2.25% actually, now up 3% year to date. The story was also crude. Crude oil adding $2, 65.50, making another attack on that 66 double top. We'll talk about that in a minute. Important that it holds above the 63 pivot of the action we've seen between 66 and 60 over the last couple weeks. Gold added $5, 13.45. We're seeing the dollar down to support some of these asset markets. So looking at the S&P is stuck in a range now from 25.50 to 26.50. A lot of seesaw action, but we've been in that range now for more than 3 weeks. Where do we stand here on a Wednesday morning? Well, today's news is the Syria concerns here. Looks like some missiles are going to be sent out, and that the president's telegraphing that. That's got the markets down. But I came to you now 1 hour after the cash stock market opened to see where we stood and see if that gap got filled in with that lower market open. So right now I've got the S&P down 10 points. That's 20 off the lows. The Dow's down 100, but that's 200 points off the overnight lows. And the NDX down just 20, again, 50 points off that low. So a lot of that gap has been closed after the cash stock market open. Crude oil, 66.45, within 15 cents of making new 3-year highs. Right now we're trading at $66 as you're seeing more global concerns, the Mideast issues having some geopolitical impact on the price there. Gold is also up $10 today, $13.56 right now, $13.59 was the high. The euro currency is firming up. You're seeing a bounce in bonds, a little bit of flight there with some of these concerns, obviously. And the VIX is holding steady right here at this 20 level. So let's remember, we've seen a series of lower highs in volatility, and that double top in March is still a long ways away at 26. We're trading at 20 right now. 20 is the pivot from this recent action, and so it'd be important to see where we are on a weekly basis above or below this 20 line. So to summarize, stocks are down, but off their lows right now. I've got the S&P down 10, the Dow down 100, and the NDX down 20 after a big bounce on Monday and Tuesday. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.